Hey, what is going on, everybody? How's it going, my fellow collectors? This is Reagan and welcome back to yet another unboxing and review video. And today we are going to take a look at these newly released figure from Hot Toys, fresh from yesterday. It's ready stock, ready to buy, because it's an exclusive from their pop-up store at Langham here in Hong Kong. And this is none other than the Airborne Trooper 212 Attack Battalion MMS 794 1/6 scale collectible figure, and it's really cool. I'm really excited to share with you guys this one. And before we start, if you're new here to the channel, please make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell as well if you want to get notified once I upload a new video, especially Hot Toys. Okay, without further ado, let's dive in. Alright. First things first, let's remove the plastic. Here we go. So this is the art box. Absolutely fantastic. Oops, you get some bumps right here because last night. Ooh. Anyway, yeah, it looks really cool. Nice picture as well. Pretty clean. Of course, the standard art box for Star Wars figures, and of course, I really like this theme badge right here. That's actually different, you know, from the Attack of the Clones. Looks really cool, right? Absolutely beautiful. Anyway, yeah, it looks actually totally different from the usual trooper or clone trooper. So let's open it. Hot Toys exclusive sticker right here, and there you go. Bam! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to display them like this. Nice. So nice feature as well, I would say. Looks pretty cool, right? Love it. Nice. I love the quality, I would say. Really high depth, you know, high definition in a picture, right? That's it for the art cover print. And there you go, the packaging tray right here. Oh my goodness, look at that. Right, so we got the instructions here at the bottom, so I'm not gonna open that because we're sure it's probably the same, you know, it's the usual. Not that much of accessories, I would say. Here we go. So I'm gonna start up with the extra joints. So we got extra joints right here, 2 pieces. We got 5 pieces of extra interchangeable gloved hands right here with armor, and of course the paint application looks absolutely beautiful, right? Look at that, looks really nice. Love the weathering effects, fantastic. All right, and then next up right here we got the blaster rifle. Absolutely beautiful. I think it's pretty much the same, yeah, but the paint application looks pretty neat. We got some movable parts right here at the bottom. We got the heavy blaster right here, right? Okay, so this is the usual, the standard heavy blaster, I would say. Nice one. The paint application details, absolutely fantastic. Okay, and then next up right here is the bag or the sling bag, kind of like kind of like a sling bag, utility sling bag, I would say, because it has some kind of like an ammo here. Looks like a grenade, and it's actually movable. Yeah, it's detachable, you know, from the straps. It has also some what is this, like wire embedded, you know, on the strap, so it looks pretty cool, I would say. Nice, the nice quality on the fabric material, pretty clean. There you go. Wow, right? And of course the figure, there you go. So we got the figure right here. Oh my goodness, look at that. Remove the plastic. Nice, absolutely beautiful, right? So that's it. Oh wait, there's more. This is how it looks like, and let's get the base as well. Got the sand theme base for the base, of course, crutch holder. Yes, the usual, the standard crutch holder right here. I think that's about it. Clean it up first. Yes. Right, so I think that's pretty much everything included inside the box. So now let's test the very quick, you know, let's test the articulations or the range of motion of this figure. Right, so let's do the articulation. So again, this is very standard, you know, the usual, you know, articulated function for every trooper, because the body is probably the same, you know. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not, I would say. You know, some quality, I would say, probably the body that they use inside is different. So look down, that looks pretty good. So we have a big range of motion on the head, and this one's actually pretty loose. You know, see, isolation on the head. There you go. Right, so we got a nice articulation on the neck, and then moving on to the arms. Yes, there you go. So might gonna have some, blocking the range of motion because of this shoulder armor with some ammo, some really cool ammo, I would say. But probably pretty much the same, See, at least the inner suit, that's what I actually really like. They're still using the fabric material, which is actually pretty good because it's not gonna flake compared to the other trooper. Well, probably that's different, design, so that's why. But this one, yes. So if you really like clone troopers, so this is definitely a must-have as well. Okay, swivel, elbows, double jointed as well. Absolutely, ratchet joints, upper body, waistline, just limited, I would say, because of this armor right here on the waist part. So twisting body, not much, because again, another extra details on the front part, which is actually pretty cool. Yeah, these straps right here that we might gonna have twisting the body just a little bit probably. And this one is actually attached to the, is it attached? No, it's not actually attached to the, but it's garterized. Ooh, so meaning it's stretchable fabric material, meaning garter right here. Yes, so yeah, we could be able to twist the body. Yeah, see, so it has some, I would say, like decent range of motion on the waistline. Okay, if you want to do some more dynamic poses, I think looks good. Legs right there, big splits, bam, bam, swivel, nice, beautiful, I would say. Wow, I mean, like this one shouldn't be a an exclusive figure, because we're sure a lot of collectors somehow gonna piss off because they want to add probably another one, one of this, maybe two Airborne trooper. That's gonna be really awesome, right? I mean, like, I think that's about it for the articulation standard. Just want to show you guys really quick. Okay, I would say fantastic. There you go. I actually really like the details of this one. Anyway, let's talk about it first before we attach those accessories. Actually, let me put this one first, just this one, because the guns, the weapons, I can do that on the posing part. So let me remove this one first, the head, because I'm really excited to put this sling bag. There you go. And then the head. Bam. Nice. It has a lot of details on the body, right? So it's not just like a simple trooper that you're probably gonna say like, why is this exclusive, right? But then this one, I think it's fine. I mean, like, looks very exclusive, but again, I wish it's not, because we could make a we could buy more, right? Then for Hot Toys could actually sell more, but I don't know why they don't want to. That's pretty crazy to think about it, right? Or probably later they're gonna make another one in a 2.0. So anyway, so yeah, it looks pretty cool. The details on the body, on the armor, the paint application, absolutely incredible. Especially the weathering. Actually, I'm really amazed with the weathering. That's what I noticed right away. So let me zoom a little bit. So starting from the head, you could see from the helmet, like, that is absolutely insane. I mean, like, I cannot really see that it looks like a very toyish paint application. I think it's fine, it's decent. I think it is nicely done. The details as well on the helmet looks pretty good. Alright, nice. The shape, the sculpt on the helmet, absolutely beautiful. Right? I don't think probably 80 to 90% accurate from the film. So yeah, I think it's fine. Not that I will not say like super duper accurate, but because it's really hard to tell. I didn't see that like close-up look on that film, on the Airborne Trooper on the film. So yes, but I would say still pretty accurate, you know. The likeness is still there. So anyway, moving on to the armor. The armor is actually pretty much the same with every trooper, you know, that we have right now, or whatever you got right there. So it's pretty much the same, just additional markings. You know, the armor still the same. Like this one right here, this is actually pretty cool. This is not yeah, this is not non-movable or non-detachable. The shoulder, of course, the shoulder armor detachable, or it has some belt. What is this? Not Velcro. It has some garter as well, so you could move. You know, all the armor parts are detachable from the body. So yes, except the body armor. Yeah, you have to break it. Okay, the belt, the utility belt right there, the markings, the weathering, absolutely beautiful. This one is, ooh, this one it looks like a leather. Yeah, it is a leather material. I wish it is a genuine leather. It looks like, but probably a fox leather, or like I'm not sure what kind of leather. Probably a different one, but it looks pretty good. I mean, the texture, the quality looks pretty good. And then this one, I actually really like this one. Detachable from the sling bag, so we could use that. Well, there's no specific hands for that, you know. So this is just a display, you know, on the body, on the bag. So anyway, this one I also like the garter. Then again, the belt looks pretty good. This one is not movable. Yeah, this is not movable because it's attached to the armor. Weird. So anyway, I actually like this one as well. This dress, this skirt. Yeah, extra skirt, fabric material, pretty neat. Tailoring, amazing. Nice details as well again at the back. Yeah, I love some what is this, de-stress, right? Looks pretty good. And armor again on the legs, detachable, movable as well. Nice weathering, absolutely beautiful. Again, it is nicely done, pretty nice. Right, I think that's it. You know, just a quick review on the figure, the details, paint application. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Right, so this one again, it's up to you which one you're going to use. Probably gonna use the see, so we have two weapons right here. So if you're going to buy two of this Airborne Trooper, then you know that you are going to use, you're gonna be able to use both. I mean, like both weapons, right? You're gonna showcase that using. I mean, like you can showcase the Airborne Trooper using two guns, right? So that's gonna be really awesome. So it's up to you how you're going to display him. It's either this or this one right here, the gun. There you go, bam, right? So but it's kind of crazy if you're going to use both hands or displaying two guns on this figure. Actually, it's fine, right? I mean, like, yeah, why not? Right? I mean, just for, oops, my lights. Okay, I mean, just for the, you know, showcasing. I mean, if you have space, why not? Like this on the, it's kind of hard to do that. But anyway, yes, I think that's it. The hands, absolutely beautiful, especially the weathering. And of course, we got a simple team diorama base right here. But I would say, yeah, looks pretty cool. Paint application on the sand, fantastic. And if you're going to stand him like this, wow. Right. I think that's about it. Just a quick one, a quick review, and oh, what else? Wait, since I have the clone commando boss right here, let me show you guys the height, because since it's color orange, right? So yeah, this is how it looks like. So the Airborne Trooper is much taller than the clone commando boss. Wow, I didn't know that. So who is that guy? Who is this guy? Why is he taller than clone commando boss? But anyway, probably because that one is from animated series, right? So that's why they made it like more smaller. I mean, like much smaller height. I'm not sure, but anyway, yeah, this one looks really cool. If you're going to pay an extra, I bought this one like around 1,500 Hong Kong dollars. That's around 150 US dollars or 180 Yes, 100, something like that. Below 200, I would say. Then additional 100, 200 bucks if you want, if you're going to order from the resellers here in Hong Kong. So yes, okay. But yeah, looks pretty nice, beautiful, right? Right, I think that's it. Just a quick one. And again, if you like this kind of video, if you like unboxing or my review, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. Okay, until then, see you in the next one. Peace. Airborne Trooper. Beautiful.